Exploring Imagine That, a journey into English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, imagine that. This expression is not just about picturing something in your mind. It's a versatile tool in English conversation. So, let's explore together and add another gem to your language treasure. Imagine that is a phrase used in English to express surprise, irony, or sarcasm. It's often used when something happens that is either unexpected or confirms what was already suspected. For example, if someone tells you that eating lots of candy led to a toothache, you might respond with, imagine that, to indicate that the result was predictable. Surprise. When used to express surprise, imagine that is said with an emphasis that conveys genuine astonishment. For instance, if you learn about an unusual animal behavior, you might say, imagine that. I had no idea they could do that. Sarcasm. In sarcastic use, the tone changes to convey a sense of, I already knew that, or, that was so obvious. For example, if someone points out it's raining heavily during a downpour, a sarcastic response could be, imagine that, I hadn't noticed. Emphasizing agreement. Sometimes, imagine that is used to emphasize agreement with a statement or opinion that is already widely accepted. For example, healthy eating leads to better overall health? Imagine that. While imagine that is versatile, it's essential to use it correctly to avoid misunderstandings. Be mindful of your tone and the context. Using it sarcastically when a situation calls for empathy can come off as rude or insensitive. So, that's imagine that for you. A small phrase with big impact in conversations. Whether you're expressing surprise, sarcasm, or agreement, this phrase can add flavor to your English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expression and context. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using imagine that like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening.